Hello everyone, let us now discuss about today's LeetCode POTD on 16 November 2024. 3254 LeetCode question number 3254. Find the power of k size subarrays 1. So we are given with array of integers nums of length n and a positive integer k. So power of an array is defined as it is the maximum element if all of its elements are consecutive and sorted in ascending order. That means if we consider a subarray like 1, 2, 3 in a array 1, 1 and here. If we consider this subarray, this is the consecutive subarray which is having consecutive elements and also sorted in ascending order, and the maximum in this is 3. So it is the maximum element of all of its elements and consecutive and sorted in uh, are consecutive and sorted in ascending order, else -1. So for an array given with length of n, we will be having n minus k plus 1 subarrays. So if we consider the given example 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 5 and given k is equal to 3. So we need to consider all the subarrays which are of size 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So these are these are the consecutive elements and sorted in ascending order. So the maximum element here is the last element, that is 3, and then 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now 4 is the maximum element and all these are consecutive elements and sorted in ascending order. So the answer for the second subarray is 4. 3, 4, 3. 3 and then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. But here we got 3 as the next element. So here the answer will be -1. And then moving to the next subarray 4, 3, 2. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 again. But 3, here we got 3. So this is not the one which we are thinking about or what we need. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, but we have 3 here, so we push -1 into the answer. And then 3, 2, 5. This is the last subarray which we can consider. Here 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, but here we got 2 as the next element. So here we push -1 as the answer. So this is the answer and this is the given nums element nums. So the intuition here is we can get -1 or the maximum element if and only if there are consecutive elements. So instead of making whether it is -1 or not, we will initialize an array, name it as answer, of size n minus k plus 1 and having every element as -1. So it will make the array easier. So it will make the algorithm easier not to find whether the element is having -1 or the maximum element if and only if consecutive. That means in the previous example, if we initialize all these elements as -1, then we know then there is no need to calculate if the subarray is having or returning -1 as the answer or not. As we already initialized answer as -1, it will make easier only to find whether it is not whether it is a consecutive and sorted in ascending order. So if you see 1, 2, 3, if these are consecutive elements of size k, then we are pushing the answer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 5. So this is the array, and then here we are pushing when we got 3 as the maximum element, we are pushing the into the answer we are making. For example, if we initialize the answer as size of n minus k plus 1, n minus k plus 1, that is equal to 7 minus k is equal to 3, 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. We initialized answer with size of 5 and every element as -1. Then when we got 3 as the maximum element, we are making the first element or zeroth index element as nums of I. If we are iterating it, we are making this maximum element, we are making the first index in the answer array as the maximum element. That means if we find it, get answer of I minus k plus 1, that means 2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So in this way we can make our answer array getting to the point if all the previous element are ascending in order and consecutive elements. We make our answer of I minus k plus 1 is equal to nums of I. So we need to iterate from I is equal to 0 to n, and if I is greater than 0 and nums of I minus 1 plus 1 is equal to nums of I. Here we checking if the previous element plus 1 is equal to the present element. We initialize size of subarray int is equal to 0. Then if we are having a consecutive element, increase size of subarray. We make the size of subarray as 0, and then if we got the size of subarray is greater than or equal to k minus 1. This is equal to 3, sorry, k minus 1 is 2. So if the size of subarray is greater than or is equal to 2, make answer of I minus k plus 1 is equal to nums of I. Then we return our answer. You can check the code in my description. Thank you.